Here's your fresh food to put you in a great mood. Pizza, salad, cheesy bread, all good. After you dine, don't forget to take the survey online. Have a great day, my friend. Please dine again. What's wrong?
First of all, scoot back. 6 feet.
Ma'am, the distancer is 3 feet, and my arm span is 3 feet, and I reached forward, so...
Well, do better next time and take that with you.
What's wrong with it?
You licked it.
Licked? No, I would never do that. I can assure you the pizza was quite intact when it arrived.
The seal's broken. Admit it, you ate some of it.
Ma'am, I assure you the pizza is fine. Sometimes our tamper-proof seal falls off because of the heat.
Well, it's ruined and I need a replacement.
It was only ruined when you threw it on the ground.
Excuse me? Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I need a replacement now.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Take that with you.
The pizza?
The ruined one. The mistake.
It was only ruined when you threw it.
Oh, it was ruined whenever I put it down.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so sorry. I don't know how that happened. Yeah. Well, I know. I'm so sorry. I promise we'll have it to you in the next 15 minutes. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Bye. So I just got off the phone with Kaitlyn.
Okay, same old, same old.
Same old what?
Same old Kaitlyn.
We're talking about our star delivery boy. He doesn't complain about our customers.
All right. What did she say?
She said that you took a bite of her pizza?
No, that's not what happened. She was complaining about the tamper-proof seal.
That's not what she said to me.
We're talking about Kaitlyn.
We're talking about a customer here. Did you bring the pizza back with you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, go get it. What is this?
A missing slice?
Well, where'd it go?
What do you think? I know how this looks, but I figured on the way here I might as well have a piece if it's gonna get thrown out already.
And you expect me to believe that?
She must have planned this.
Patty.
She must have known that I was gonna be hungry on the way here, and she masterminded this whole plan. She probably told all her friends to buy all the pizzas.
Patty.
She knew I'd be hungry. She knew I'd be weak. She's trying to get rid of me.
Patty! Okay, look, Patty, you're the best we got. You're the best on the team. You're the quickest driver. And on top of that, this is your first complaint. So, I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. But Kaitlyn is a highly valued customer.
Why? I mean, she always calls and complains on the phone, and when I go, she's rude to me.
Because, Patty, she's a customer. I shouldn't have to tell you any more than that.
Come on, Tom, we don't need this.
Look, Patty, it's Kaitlyn's mom, Karen, that I'm worried about. Karen is head of the PTA. She has a chair in city council, and heads up, she's community watch for Sunset Hills.
So what?
So what that means is that if she puts a bad review online, that could cripple us. And that neighborhood is key to the success of our business.
I don't know how someone like that can have so much power.
Because, Patty, in a world that's becoming slowly more and more affluent, there's slowly becoming more and more Karens. Okay, stay with me here. Karens are friends with other Karens. And those Karens have baby Karens. And those baby Karens go to school with other baby Karens, and they grow up to be baby Karens. Okay? Do you understand where I'm going with this?
I guess.
Okay, well, here's the deal. You don't really need to understand. The only thing you need to understand is that this needs to be delivered to Kaitlyn in 15 minutes or less.
What? No, she's just gonna blame me for something else.
I don't think so. I doubt it.
Send someone else, I'm not going.
Patty, look around. Everybody called in sick. You're the only guy I got.
Look, I don't need this aggravation.
Oh, really? Then how are you gonna pay for that?
cheesy bread, pizza crust, salad. Take the survey online. Thanks for dining again.